Hello mga kanegosyo, ako nga pala si Ian. Ako ang founder at owner ng Southside Car Rental Fleet. At right now we have over 100 operators and 1,000 units sa aming grupo. At kung kayo po ay naghahanap pa rin ng new ways to earn money this 2025, then this video is the perfect video for you. So kung maalala nyo, we discussed about how to start your car rental business last 2023. And right now, andito ulit ako para ituro sa inyo ang panibagong paraan kung paano nyo sisimulan ang inyong car rental business ngayong 2025. Dahil may mga bago tayong na-discover na modus ng mga sindikato at syempre, in-upgrade na rin natin ang process natin. So, let's go ahead and discuss on how you can start your car rental business. Okay, step 1 is business registration. Importante po na legitimately registered ang business natin, DTI and BIR for example. Dahil po, just in case magkaroon po tayo ng legal dispute versus unruly customers or mga customers na pasaway, isa sa unang itatanong sa atin ng mediator or ng legal is kung registered ba ang ating mga business. So ngayon, we have made it easier for you. We are also now assisting in terms of DTI and BIR registration. So if you need help in terms of registering your business, just send me a PM here or in my Facebook. That's Ian Malikdem, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Step number 2 is kailangan humanap ka ng car rental community na makakatulong sa inyong car rental operations. Dahil napaka-importante po na meron kang grupo na nag-a-assist sa inyong day-to-day car rental operations. With the rise of gambling games, mga online gambling games, comes with the rise of rentangay and rensangla incident. And we've seen a very huge increase of those incidents for the past 2 years. That's why we have created a new process to avoid that kind of incident. And that process includes having an active and helpful community. So, halimbawa, katulad ng Southside Car Rental Fleet, we have an active community. And if you will be joining our fleet, then we will be able to assist you in terms of checking the names of the inquiries that you will get. Dahil ito po mga sindikato ay paulit-ulit lang po. Makakasuhan sila. And dahil sa tagal ng process ng kaso dito, ang ending po ay nakikipag-areglo lang sila or sometimes naman nagpapiyansa lang sila. Just for example, just today, anong petsa ba ngayon? August 13. Meron pong isang known carnapper na matagal na pong inaasikaso ang kanyang ang pagsasampa ng kaso laban sa kanya at ngayon po ay nakapagpiyansa siya ng 300,000. At the same day, meron po ulit silang nabiktima yung grupo niya. In case na yung natangayan na yon or yung nabiktima na yon is member ng car rental community, for example, again, Southside Car Rental Fleet, is we could have prevented that kind of incident dahil pag tinype mo yung pangalan ng inquiry or naglagay ka ng picture nung nag-inquire sa'yo, we will be able to identify and tell you if that's a red flag. So that's number 1. That's why the community is very important. At the same time, bukod sa pagtulong sa iyo sa pag-check ng mga documents and record ng mga renters nyo, is your community is also another way for you to earn income. Paano? Dahil po sa community namin, meron po kaming referral system. So for example, fully booked ka na or nakarenta ang sasakyan mo, at meron sa'yo nag-inquire at nag-book ng 1-month rental. At ang hanap niya is, for example, is SUV. Ang 1 month po ng SUV is ranging around 45,000 and up. So, instead na itaboy mo yung customer mo na yun dahil wala ka ng unit or hindi available ang unit mo or wala kang ganong unit, pwede mo siyang isend sa ating group, sa ating fleet para po mabigyan din kayo ng 10% commission. So, halimbawa, nagrenta yung customer na yun ng 1 month or 45,000 pesos, automatically you will get 4,500, which is equivalent to 10%. So yung iba po ganito ang ginagawa, yung ibang car rental operators sa iisa lang ang unit, what they do is they refer other customers to members of the Southside group. So at least in that way, they earn extra income. So yan yung isa sa pamamaraan para kimita. Now at the same time, it's also another venue for you to get more renters. Pwede kang mapasahan ng mga kagrupo natin. At minsan, yung mga repeat renters sila ang pinapasa nila. So ibig sabihin, less worry para sa atin dahil alam natin na nagrenta na yun before sa mga kasamahan natin sa car rental business. So ibig sabihin, tested na sila. Yun yung isang napakalaking benefit kung magkakaroon kayo or kung hanap kayo ng community. Ngayon, yung community naman na yan, free po yan. Pwede kayo mag-join sa Southside Car Rental Community kung kami rin po ang mag-install ng mga GPS device nyo or mga car accessories. Now, which brings us to step number 3. Ang step number 3 naman natin, guys, is all about car security. This pertains to GPS trackers, backup trackers, and dashcam. Dahil po kailangan na meron tayong way to see kung nasan po ang sasakyan natin at to see kung ano po ang nangyayari sa ating sasakyan during the rental period. So right now, I also have another business which is called Southside Car Accessories, and for Southside members, you get to have an exclusive discount for GPS, dashcam, and backup trackers. So let's discuss more about GPS. Ano ba yung ginagamit naming GPS? So the GPS that we use is a real-time GPS. It has geofencing capability, and it also has a kill engine function. So ibig sabihin, pwede mong i-disable or i-turn off yung engine ng sasakyan mo just in case magkaroon ng worst case scenario. And then optional din is meron din feature na pwedeng idagdag, which is yung voice monitoring. Yung voice monitoring naman is yun nga, pwede mong marinig kung ano yung nagiging usapan sa loob ng sasakyan mo. So yun yung mga additional features na pwedeng idagdag sa GPS. Ang GPS price natin, it starts at 3,500 pesos. Now kung malapit kayo sa Cavite area, then the home service is free. Ngayon kung malayo naman, there will be slight additional payment for the home service fee, but installation is always free. And at the same time, it has a 24/7 customer support. Ngayon sa GPS naman, we highly recommend na at least 2 GPS ang i-install. Bakit? Dahil yung unang GPS is dapat smart SIM ang nakalagay. Yung second GPS mo, dapat globe na SIM ang nakalagay. So yan yung sa GPS part. Now, we would also recommend that you install a wireless backup tracker. What we use is a modified Apple AirTag. Yung mga yan is hopefully hindi nyo magamit kasi magagamit mo ang backup tracker just in case magkaroon ng worst case scenario. Halimbawa, nakarnap ang sasakyan mo, natapos nakita yung GPS tracker at pinutol. Pagputol ng GPS tracker mo, hindi mo na makikita yan. Pero kung meron ka nakatago na wireless tracker, you will still have the chance to recover your car. So yan yung isa sa benefits of having a backup tracker. Now, third accessory that you will need is the dash cam. Ngayon, it can range from basic dash cam such as yung meron lang recording while traveling. But there's also a dash cam, an advanced dash cam, wherein magkakaroon to ng assisted driver assistance, 24/7 monitoring, and live monitoring. Ibig sabihin, yung dash cam na yun, meron din siyang SIM card. para makita mo yung live na nangyayari. At the same time, it also has a GPS tracking system. Ibig sabihin, magkakaroon ka ng parang 4 na tracking sa sasakyan mo. 2 sa GPS, isa sa backup tracker, at isa sa inyong dashcam. So yung dashcam na yon, just PM us and we'll provide you the list of dashcams that you can choose from. Alright, and step number 4 is about new technology to counter the new modus operandi of these syndicates. So as I mentioned before, we have the community to help co-operators from checking the list of names of mga nag-i-inquire sa atin. Pero the downside of that is syempre yung mga community na yan or yung mga GC na yan, iba-iba yung database, yung mga list of names na andyan. So, halimbawa, nag-type ka sa isang GC at yung pangalan ng tinype mo is non-existent doon sa GC nila. Siyempre, ang sagot sa'yo is NR o ibig sabihin, no record. Or sometimes naman is yung mga operators is also busy with their own car rental business. So, minsan, may mga cases na rin na nag-type ka ng pangalan at yung pangalan na yun ay naando sa GC, pero since busy yung operator is hindi sila nagkaroon ng time to really copy and paste and run a search doon sa group chat nila na yon. Kaya ang nangyayari, kahit may record na yon doon sa mga car rental community, is natatangayan pa rin yung mga kapwa natin car rental operator. So right now, what we did is we have created an app, a mobile app, which addresses that kind of issue. It's called AutoGuard Pro. Ito yan, AutoGuard Pro. What it does is it has the biggest database of bad renters. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga GC, lahat ng mga database ng mga GC, pinagsama-sama at nasa isang app yun. At ang kagandahan dito, it's updated daily. At the same time, we have a contact with other departments such as PNP, LTO, and HPG to provide us the list of some of their most wanted list in terms of car rental activities. At the same time, it's also a community-driven platform. So, ibig sabihin, if you are a user of this application and if you have experienced or if you've gone a bad experience with a renter, then you can actually put that name into the app, wait for verification of the admin. They might ask for additional proof. Now, once verified din ng admin yan, automatically maa-add po yan doon sa AutoGuard Pro na app. So, free po yan up until December, and then by next year, it will have a subscription. Pero sa ngayon free pa yan kasi wala pa naman dyan yung mga other features na i-implement natin. So AutoGuard, again, download AutoGuard Pro in Google Play Store. Right now, it's for Android devices only. Hindi pa siya available sa Apple, pero we're already developing the app for iOS. Most likely, it will be available late 2026 or early 2027. And step number 5 is all about marketing. Syempre, kailangan natin kimita. And the best way for us to earn is to have a very good marketing system. So, ano ba yung very good marketing system? Number 1 is yan yung car rental community, which has been solved by the early step, which is step number 2, if I remember it right. And then, have a network of renters. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan magkaroon ka rin ng network mo with your renters. Kaya nga importante na magkaroon ka ng good relationship with your clients. So, para din maalala ka nila, pwede mo sila bigyan ng loyalty card para may promo din. It gives them more reason to rent from you again the next time that they would need another car. And number 3 is about presence in other social media platforms. Number 1 dyan, syempre, pinaka-common is Facebook. What you can do, pwede naman dyan manual posting every day. Pero what I would recommend is get a social media advertisement specialist like what I did. I hired someone to set up my social media platform. So yung advertisement ko, it's a targeted ad. Kumbaga, ang makakakita lang ng ads ko is those who are specifically looking for a car rental. So, yung binabayaran ko sa advertisement is very sulit, kumbaga. Now, kung kailangan nyo din ng social media specialist, you can also contact me and I will direct you to that person. And kayo na bahala mag-usap kung paano nyo i-set up ang inyong social media presence. So, ayan po ang ating panibagong 5 ways to earn this 2025 sa pamamagitan ng car rental business. Again, ako po ulit si Ayen at kita-kita po ulit tayo mga ka-self-drive. Bye-bye!